Richard Platt. One of the things that I like to do is I like to make stuff. I like to do paintings, I like to make all kind of stuff here in my little maker space. Well, the project I want to do today is how to use Adobe Illustrator, which I'm very, very fond of. Been using it for nearly 30 years. And I want to take that product, Adobe Illustrator, and I want to use a new technology that I'm really excited about, and that's the Cricut Maker. Cricut has this amazing technology where you can cut out just about anything you design, and you can produce it with, where it's a cup, or it's a gift card, or it's a t-shirt, or it's anything you really want to create. Well, in this project, what I want to do is I want to use Illustrator as opposed to the Cricut Design Space and create my own custom t-shirt. Now, this is a shirt we're actually going to try to make, and I've got a whole set of tutorials that I want you to watch on how to do that. Now, the cool thing about Adobe Illustrator and the Cricut is you can rapidly make a t-shirt really, really fast. Here's an example of a practice shirt I made ahead of time before I made this final one. Kind of hoping to do something with this hat right here and put a design on it as well. But anyway, follow along with the videos. Pay close attention to what I do. Some of it's kind of funny, some of it's kind of goofy, but at the end, you're going to learn how to use Adobe Illustrator and a cool new powerful technology called the Cricut Maker to create your own custom apparel and your own designs. So let's have fun and let's get started.